Let me tell you guys, I sweat a lot when I'm out here doing lawn work, and I really need something to cool me down. I mean, I drink water, I drink Gatorade, and I was thinking about this the other day, and I realized I think I have something to cool me down. I really can't believe this solution has been right in front of my face for over a year. Now, I have had this fan for over a year, and I never thought to use it to cool me down. I was always using it to cool the kids down. But let me tell you what, this thing is about to be my new best friend for the summer. Okay, let's talk about the fan here a little bit. So it has a couple speeds. You have the fan here and you have the pump here. So it has a low speed for the fan, a low speed for the pump, and high for both as well. There's a very fine mist that comes out of it. It's not how much water it puts out. It's great for when you're on the back deck, or again, it is also good for the kids to play with. Okay, let's see if we can get a better idea of how it's coming out. We're gonna start this with the fan on low and the pump on low. It looks to me like it's shooting out a good 3 feet at least, but you can't see anything on the ground because it really is a mist. I can feel it coming over here to me. So let's go ahead and put the fan on high and the pump on high. It's a little bit stronger, and it is shooting out a little bit further. I doubt you can see it, but it is shooting out a little bit further. Another thing I like about this fan is that I can use this bucket. It has this tube that goes down into the bucket in order to bring out the water for the misting portion of it. And it does, although I'm struggling a little bit, it's just my angle, but it goes onto the bucket really easily, and the bucket is very transportable. If you don't want to use the bucket, it also has back here where you can connect it to the hose, which is pretty cool. This compartment here is the battery compartment. Squeeze and the battery comes right out. 18-volt setup. Pretty freaking cool. Cannot believe I've had it this long and never used it to help me cool down in the summer. Yeah, buddy. I really like that you can also use it as simply a fan. What's coming out here right now, let's turn it up higher. Hear that? That feels great. This is gonna be great to cool me off in the summer. After each use, I have a tendency to let it run out because I don't want that water staying in the pump, especially if the girls are playing in it, in the water. And I don't want that shooting back into my face either. So I would suggest you clean it out each time, and all you have to do is just run the pump, and it'll spray out what's left in there. But other than that, it's super portable. It shoots out, the mist is great. So I highly recommend, if you're looking for something to cool yourself off during the summer, look into one of these fans.